You may picture the typical classroom setting when you think of taking college courses, but for some students at Texas A&M University San Antonio, the classroom is anything but typical.
My name is Martin Carillas. I'm a bio major here at A&M. I'm a senior, and this is Adam Lorenz. He's also a senior as well. We're doing a small mammal population survey out here in the woods of Tamusa, and basically we just want to see what kind of species of small rodents we can capture. So we're just going to go ahead and take this road straight down, and it'll turn onto we like to call it the gas line. So we're going to go ahead and turn onto that area and set the trap there. We started in January of this year, and it's going to be ongoing for the rest of the year. And after we've collected a good amount of data, we want to compile it and see if there's any correlations between vegetation, areas, locations, and see what we come up with. And then we'll start different studies going from there. And we're actually baiting each trap with just regular sunflower seeds. It's sort of a bird mix, but the rodents seem to like it. And so the way these traps work, they're Sherman traps. They open up on both sides, but there's a clip right here that'll hold down this flange, and there's a pressure pad on the other side. So when you hit the pressure, when it walks in, it hits the pressure pad on the other side. It'll close it, and now you've got a trapped mouse.
Hopefully something. 6. Ooh. Yeah. So what we're going to do is we're going to transfer them to a bag and then move them into the lab. What we're mainly concentrating on is just trying to find the species, but later on, like if we do more research, we can go through this and we can see how big our populations are around here and what they're living in. So first I'm going to put them into the buckets with a little bit of seed. It'll be easier to grab them and handle them and everything else. It's really difficult to get measurements of the total body length because they have to be sitting really still, and usually they're not calm enough for that. So we'll make do with just the tail, the foot, and the ear. So we'll get data on where we trap them, like the locality, the weather that we caught them in, the sex, the species, and the size. With that we can see not just what we have, but where they're living, and also how healthy they are, really, like how big they're getting and comparable to normal traits. So we can kind of see the health of the ecosystem around here and make a few other measurements.
It'd be awesome to find something that shouldn't be living here, and that'd be pretty interesting. And then we could actually have a reason for like, no, don't destroy this part of the land. You got species living here that aren't even native. But no, well, we're just happy if we catch something once a week, maybe twice, 2 or 3 times. And we just want to keep going and then compile it all at the end and see what we come up with.
For the Mesquite News, this is Monica La Madrid. For more information, go to tamusa.edu.